we are told to find the maximum area of a trapezoid in which the length of the upper base is 1/2 of the lower base's length and sum of the bases and the height is 20 centimeters. Now we're dealing with area, and the area for a trapezoid is going to be by taking the average of the two bases, multiplying that by the height. So if I take x plus 2x and divide by 2, or multiply by 1/2, and then take that, multiply it by the height, that's going to give me the area of the trapezoid. So we do not know what the height or x is, so we need to somehow use information given to figure out what those are so that we can figure out the area of the trapezoid. So we're given a number of 20 centimeters, and we're told that the sum of the bases and the height is going to be equal to 20 centimeters. So if I take x plus 2x plus h, that's going to equal 20. So since we have x and 2x as my bases, it's probably going to be easier to convert height to x's instead of x's over to height, since there's only one number we have to trade over to x. So if I change h over to x, I can solve this, and I'm going to get h equals 20 minus 3x. So now I can use that in my formula, where in place of h I can put in 20 minus 3x. So now when I multiply everything together, I get area equals 30x minus 9x squared over 2. And if I rearrange this into my regular format, I'm going to get a equals negative 9x squared over 2 plus 30x. Now we're trying to find the maximum area of the trapezoid. So to find the maximum of anything with these quadratics, we're going to use the equation x equals negative b over 2a. So x equals negative 30 over 2a, so we get 2 times negative 9 over 2. So when I solve this for x, I'm going to get x equals 10 over 3. And now we can use that to find the bases, but we just need the height at this point. So remember, we were told that h equals 20 minus 3x. So in place of x, I'm now going to put in the 10 over 3. So I have 20 minus 3 times 10 over 3. So that's going to give me 20 minus 10, which is going to be 10. So h is 10 and x is 10 over 3. So now I look back at the original picture that I have drawn, and so my top base will be 10 over 3, my bottom base will be 20 over 3, and my height is going to equal 10. So I plug everything into my formula. A equals 1/2 times the average of the bases, the bases take the average, so I multiply by 1/2, so I get 10 over 3 plus 20 over 3 times the height of 10. So when I do all of that, I multiply and add together, and I will get 50 as my final answer.